In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a sticker in a channel in Discord. Whether you're new to Discord or just haven't used stickers before, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Stickers are a fun way to react, express yourself, and make conversations more engaging inside any server. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find them and how to send them in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Discord guides. Now, let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer or launch the Discord app on your device. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the screen where all your servers are listed. Click on the server where you want to send the sticker. After selecting the server, choose the specific channel where you'd like to post the sticker. This can be a text channel under any category, as long as you have permission to send messages there. Make sure you're inside the correct channel before moving on to the next step. You should see the message text box at the bottom of the screen where you normally type your messages. Now that you're inside the channel, go down to the message text box. On the right side of that text box, you'll see several small icons. One of these icons is the sticker button. It usually looks like a square smiley face or a small sticker icon next to the GIF and emoji options. Click on the sticker button. As soon as you click it, a sticker panel will open up, showing you all the stickers available to you. These may include default Discord stickers, as well as custom server stickers, depending on the server's boosts and settings. You can scroll through the available stickers to preview them. If the server has custom stickers uploaded, you'll see them listed in this panel as well. Next, simply click on the sticker of your choice. As soon as you click it, the sticker will automatically be sent into the channel. You don't need to press enter or click send separately. The sticker will appear in the chat just like a message, and everyone in the channel will be able to see it. If you change your mind before clicking, you can just close the sticker panel and no sticker will be sent. Keep in mind that some servers may restrict sticker usage to certain roles, so if you don't see the sticker option or can't send one, you may need additional permissions from a server admin. And that's it. That's how you send a sticker in a channel in Discord. It's quick, simple, and a great way to make your conversations more fun and interactive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.